Nevada Virtual Academy, we never left. Okay, so we're not just back, or we cannot be back if we never left. We're working on the proficiency exam. We're trying to stay young. We're trying to be in the best shape ever, and obviously to graduate high school by any means, any acceptable, reasonable, legal means. 46. T to the power of 4 minus 8t squared plus 16. Factors completely over the real numbers into. And we have to check into which one this 46 factors completely. Okay, what could be done? Well, let's check this equation, this expression in t separately here. Minus 8t squared plus 16. I'm looking for common factors. There is none, right? I'm looking for perfect squares. Is this expression a perfect square? Do you guys remember if you have, you know, a plus or minus b, everything squared? This will be the first number squared plus or minus, depends what sign you have in here, 2 times the first number times the second number, 2 times a times b, plus the last number squared. Okay, if you have a number squared plus minus 2 times this number times the second one plus the other one squared, then that's a binomial square. Well, what do you think about this one? That t to the 4th is actually t squared, everything squared, right? Minus, well, let's wait for the middle term. I'm checking the last one. The last one is 4 squared. That gives you 16. Now, if the middle one is 2 times the first number, which is t squared, times the last number, which is 4, then we're done. This is a perfect square. And it seems to be the case, because negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. T squared will give me exactly the middle term here. This way, I can say that this t to the 4th minus 8t squared plus 16 is nothing else but t squared minus 4, everything squared. Okay? Now, if you're looking here at your answers, you can see that b is exactly the same as this one. But the question to ask yourself is, how about that t squared minus 4? Is that prime, or we can factor it? We can factor it. Let me give you a a hint in here. How about rewriting this as t squared minus 4 is nothing else but 2 squared. Does this ring a bell for you guys? Do you remember that if you have a squared minus b squared, which we call the difference of squares, you can rewrite this as 8 plus b times a minus b, or a minus b times a plus b. The order really doesn't matter because we know multiplication is commutative, right? How about that? Well, in this case, I can write this as t plus 2 times t minus 2, okay? And this will be substituted back into that expression. Good. So let's that t squared minus 4 as t plus 2 times t minus 2, and everything has to be squared. And obviously now this will give me t plus 2 everything squared times t minus 2 everything squared. And now we're done. Okay, and now we can go back to your options and say t plus 2 squared times t minus 2 squared is option A. And who's the happy one? It's probably you. Why? Because you were able to solve this problem, and you can do the same with any other similar problem on the proficiency exam. Any questions? If you spot any mistakes, let me know. This is it.